Hi everyone, we are iTech. Before we start to introduce our new product, we want to say thank you to WE because they provide us so many products like the PDW, L85, M14, M4, CQBR, etc. So we can carry our dream weapon to play in the war game. And today we want to talk about the WE new product, the AK74 series. And look at here. These are the original parts, including the fire pin, wave lock, hammer, seal, and trigger. And now, the iTech provide you the all CNC steel upgrade parts from the fire pin, hammer, and these two parts we talked about last week. And today we want to talk about the wave lock, seal, and trigger. And later we will put that on a brand new AK74 custom version and we'll test the fixture. After you upgrade these steel parts, from the outside you will see this trigger already upgraded. And then we open the up receiver. Look inside this trigger box. You will see the CNC steel seal, trigger, hammer, fire pin. And inside this space there's a wave lock. Now we use 0.2 ppg and green gas to make the test. Now we upgrade these parts inside, so now we can try the red gas. Now you can enjoy the more violent recoil power and higher FPS. Now we use 0.2 ppg and green gas to test our custom version WE AK74. Now we use 0.2 ppg and green gas to test the rate of fire. Either way, we would like to celebrate the 100-year anniversary of our nation. So now we offer 10% off discount for everyone on our website. You can insert www.airsofttaiwan.com and access our website. You can register right here and you can order your product right here. So you can enjoy the 10% off discount.